Symptoms of a bad neutral safety switch. One of the many features in cars designed to prevent accidents and mishaps is the neutral safety switch. When the engine is not in park or neutral, the switch prevents the engine from starting. By doing this, the danger of starting an automated vehicle in drive or reverse is removed. Well, in this video, I'll be discussing the symptoms of a bad neutral safety switch. So let's get started. 1. No crank. When a neutral safety switch is broken, a car frequently fails to start at all. There are times when a failed switch can sometimes start working again while stationary if you shift gears quickly. 2. The engine does not start in park but starts in neutral mode. Once the ignition key is turned on and the transmission is in parking mode, your car should turn on and the engine must start. However, if the engine doesn't run, your car's neutral safety switch is broken. 3. Difficulty starting your car. The first and most noticeable sign of a faulty neutral safety switch is when your automobile struggles to start or does not start at all. If you have more experience, the alternator or battery may be the first thing that comes to mind when your car won't start. 4. The engine starts in any gear. There is a strong possibility that the safety switch is having internal problems, such as a short circuit if the car starts even when it is in gear. It is important to keep in mind that if this occurs, your car poses a major safety risk. Before we continue exploring the symptoms of a bad neutral safety switch, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. Simply hit that subscribe button now so you won't miss out on our future automotive insights and troubleshooting guides. So let's continue. 5. Check engine light illuminating. Did you know that your car uses a variety of warning lights to alert you of internal issues? One of the most typical ones is the check engine light. While it may not always indicate a serious issue, it is still important to pay attention to it because it may indicate a serious failure. 6. Vehicle stalling or hesitating. You will have a very difficult time driving your car when your neutral safety switch fails, in addition to the first two symptoms stated. The vehicle will act up and notice that it's stalling or probably hesitating every time you hit the gas pedal or try to slow down your car. 7. Transmission not shifting properly. The systems in a new vehicle operate as a single unit. So if the neutral safety switch stops working, you might notice that your transmission is shifting gears improperly. In summary, understanding the symptoms of a bad neutral safety switch is key to ensuring the safety and reliability of your vehicle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with fellow car enthusiasts or anyone who might benefit from this knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips to keep your vehicle running smoothly and safely. Thanks for watching, and may your drives be free from unexpected hiccups.